Caroline? Yes. Caroline, do you want to go and work for Andrew Tate?
I don't think so.
Why is that?
I don't know, he's probably not a nice person.
Is it because I'm talking about him?
Probably.
Yeah. Oh, let me explain to you what Andrew Tate, what he does, how he makes his money.
I don't really know that much about him.
Well, Andrew Tate makes his money through girls showing their bits. You're putting your money in one of their machines, and then the curtain opens and they show you the bits. In this case, it's all done online with web cameras. Yeah, it's quite it's prostitution basically. Yeah, that's basically what he was doing. But what was happening was he had these girls now. They look like they're typing stuff. They're not. It's actually him and his brother in the background doing all the typing. So effectively, they were pretending they were the girls. Oh. But they knew what to say. You see, because they're blokes. They're blokes, and they know what blokes want, I suppose. But you see, the thing is, they've been doing all this stuff over a period of time, and they haven't been paying their taxes. I thought they'd be paying tax. I know, it's terrible, isn't it? I thought, Caroline, that if they were in Romania, they'd be paying their taxes over there. Is this all before they went to Romania? Maybe. Did they go to Romania because they wanted to hide from the taxes? Well, the police
pay tax in a country, doesn't it?
Well, yeah, that's exactly. But where do they put their money? Do they hide it? Are they very clever to where they're actually putting their money?
Turn round at the chair, don't we?
We can sit down at the chair if you like. No, I meant no. So so basically he's a pimp. Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate, they're pimps effectively, and the UK court has just ruled that the police can seize more than $4 million in unpaid taxes from Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan Tate. A magistrate has ruled that the Devon and Cornwall police are able to seize more than $4 million in unpaid taxes from the British US influencer, because he also does, he kind of tries to manipulate people and put young men on the wrong course of life, that sort of thing. But again, people love him, they think he's great, don't know why. And a lawyer for the police said the Tates were serial tax evaders who have failed to pay any tax on about $42 million in revenue between 2014 and 2022. The Tate brothers, who are currently under house arrest in Romania, where they face charges including human trafficking, will likely be extradited to the UK once these proceedings are over. Good. Stick them in a dodgy prison, tax evasion. Yeah.
Where will they be imprisoned, in England? Or
they could be extradited, Karen, which basically means that Romania will send them to the United Kingdom.
And then they'd have to stand trial in the United Kingdom?
Well, no, they've already been ordered to pay the money, so they'll have to pay $4 million in taxes. And if they don't pay it, they're getting taken from their assets.
Oh, I'm sure they've got $4 million.
Well, they have. They've already had the cars seized, though. There was about 20 odd cars, like sports cars and stuff. Supercars all been seized, and a Lada. There's a bright red Lada as well. But yeah, it does make me tickle inside, this kind of thing. I do like to see the scum on this planet to be reprimanded. That I do. So the British court has ruled that the police can seize more than $4 million to cover the years of unpaid taxes from the manosphere. Influences Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan Tate. There you go. How does that make you feel? Like I said, it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Karen, I've got a business idea. I've got a business proposition. What? If I set up a webcam and I could be in the background, I could do I could be tickling the keys, so to speak, and you can be tickling your bits. What do you reckon?
Don't think anyone would watch.
No, don't you? Oh. That takes all sorts, There's people out there, there's people out there, darling, who are actually making millions of pounds.
I'm not that kind of girl.
You're not that kind of girl. But there's people out there can make millions of pounds from showing pictures of their feet.
You can look at my feet if you want.
I don't recommend it. Anyway, on that note, toodaloo.